How to create a GitHub account on your mobile devices. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this method works for both of the Android or iOS devices. Now the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your browser. It does not matter what browser you are using. In my case, I'll go ahead and open up Safari right here. Inside, you can just go ahead and search for GitHub. You want to open up their website, which is github.com. And from here, if you scroll down, we then have the sign up for GitHub button. You can just go ahead and click on it, type your email address, and from there, you will then be prompted to type a password for that email address and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.